guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at the orthodontist right now. I'm sitting outside in my car and it's an exciting day. It's a bittersweet day because it's my last appointment here at this orthodontist. I'm gonna be transferring orthodontist to San Diego because we're moving back to San Diego. So today's my last appointment here in Mississippi, and I planned on finishing my braces here in Mississippi, but that's just not how it worked out. So I'm finishing in San Diego, and yeah, so I'm just waiting outside right now. I need to text them and tell them that I'm here because of the whole social distancing still. So I have to text them and then wear my mask. So, oh my god, it's so hot. I turned off the AC because it's loud in the speaker, but I'm gonna bring you guys in there with me. And I'm not sure what they're gonna do today. I planned on taking Tylenol beforehand, but I totally forgot. So hopefully it's not anything too painful. But I'm gonna bring you guys in there and we'll see what they do today. Yeah, that screw is pretty sore.
Yeah, I see that. Definitely be taking that one out.
Oh, okay. So is that how it works? Like the further it comes out, it's ready to come out, or?
It could just be loose. Over time, they do get kind of loose. You don't have that big of space left,
yeah.
So the wire, especially on this side, the wire can probably do the work without it. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna probably put some numbing gel down there.
Would it just be this one getting taken out?
I'm gonna double check since we're taking that one out. I feel like we probably should go and take the other one out.
Okay. So we're gonna get some shots in the mouth because we're taking the screws out. These screws in my jaw. This one and this one. So my mouth is gonna be in pain. I hate shots in my mouth. I hate them.
I'm gonna place this topical gel and I'll have to stay on there for about 10 minutes.
Okay. Do you do the shots too, or just the?
No, it'll just be the numbing.
Okay.
They come out a lot easier than they go in.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Trish, are you at 4? Open.
Alright, let's see. But if you need to stop, we'll stop. Okay.
Sorry, I'll go ahead and get okay. And then I'll wear a repeater with her here at
Yeah. She's leaving us. I know. But for good reasons.
You've been posting some, huh?
Yeah. I can't talk right now.
I'm trying not to push on it.
It's not bad.
Look, that first one I had was 80
They wanted to stay with you. See?
Souvenir. It's a souvenir.
How you feel?
Okay. Alright, you guys, so I just finished my last appointment here. I loved this orthodontist. They're so friendly, and I am kind of sad that I didn't get to finish out here because Dr. Frigo is like super cool, and all the staff is like so nice, and I just, yeah, I'm gonna miss them. The very few things I'm gonna miss in Mississippi. So, but yeah, so you saw everything she did today. She just tightened everything, changed my power chains, and she, as you saw, took out my anchors right here because my gaps are closing, and they weren't sure if my next orthodontist like knew how to deal with those. So I was far enough along to where they could just take those out. So sorry if it was a little squeamish or whatever, but I'm also gonna show you the little hole. They're not really holes anymore, but here are the little wounds in my mouth right there, and right here. This one was almost out, so the hole is like not that big, but this one was like digging into my gums, so that's why it's just a little bit more bloody and red. And I think it's white because of the numbing, the topical. So like my mouth is like pretty numb right now, but not to the point where it's like I can't like feel my face. I can still feel everything. Taking out the screws really didn't hurt at all. I really thought that they were gonna put topical and then give me the shots again like they did when they put them in, but like taking them out was no big deal at all. So if you have those anchors, don't be scared to get them taken out because it's definitely not as bad as when they put them in. Like when they put them in, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it. I'll have it up here, and I'll put it down below also, when I got the anchors put in. But yeah, so when I got them in, they put the topical, and then they gave me shots in the back of in the back of my mouth, both sides. So I was like numb. But yeah, getting them taken out was not bad at all. But yeah, it is 3:57. My appointment was at 3:20. So it was a pretty quick appointment. They are gonna send me all my transfer papers tomorrow. But yeah, like, I'm gonna miss this place. It was such a nice place. They asked me to leave a review on Yelp, I think. So I'm definitely gonna do that because they're awesome. So yeah, let me know if you guys also have had these anchors taken out. Like I said, not bad. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and please leave a comment down below. It really helps my channel grow, and I love to respond to your guys' comments. So yeah, leave me a comment down below and we'll chat it up. So I think I'm gonna go get some Starbucks. Probably, I don't know, it's a little late for espresso, but whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. But I will see you guys later in my next video, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.